there's nothing to be on the fence about. It's just you learn, it's hands-on.
So uncomfortable. I knew I was being pushed, and I knew I was going to grow. If anything that makes me uncomfortable or feeling awkward, I just know, there's lessons. It's one thing for someone to tell you that you do a good job. It's another thing to walk away knowing that you could do it yourself because you believe it, not because someone else is telling you, right? There's a difference there.